السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا وسهلا إلى مركز العلوم والحكمة Remote Study. Welcome to the ninth part of our lesson series from the book titled Arabic Language for Beginners. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. At-Ta'bir, Arabic expression. At-Ta'bir, Arabic expression. We are going to learn from this lesson how to express ourselves in Arabic using some basic words in Arabic. So, ilah simply means to, mean from. I repeat, ilah, to, mean from. So the two terms above are agent of kasra. Any words in Arabic that appears after them must have its last letter marked with kasra. I repeat, any word in Arabic that appears after them must have its last letter marked with kasra. So their grammatical duty is to give kasra to the last letter of any word in Arabic appearing after them. Let's try to illustrate that from the examples below. Wahid number 1. Nati min al-masjidi. Nati min al-masjidi. We are coming from the mosque. So mina has given kasra to dalun being the last letter of the Arabic word al-masjid. Ithnan number 2. Nati min as-sakani. Nati min as-sakani. So we are coming from hostel. Nati min as-sakani. We are coming from hostel. So mina has given kasra to nunun being the last letter of the Arabic word sakan. Thalatha number 3. Na'ti min al-funduki. Na'ti min al-funduki. We are coming from hotel. Na'ti min al-funduk. We are coming from hotel. So mina has given kasra to the last letter of al-funduk. Kafun being the last letter of al-funduk, because of the grammatical duty of mina is to give kasra to the last letter. So arba number 4. Na'ti min al-mahja'i. Na'ti min al-mahja'i. We are coming from dormitory. So dormitory are the rooms where students stay in the hostel. They are rooms where they pass their night. So it's called dormitory. That is mahja in Arabic. So na'ti min al-mahja. We are coming from dormitory. So mina has given kasra to ainun being the last letter of the Arabic word al-mahja. La'alaka fahimt? So wahid number 1. Na'ti min al-masjid. Na'ti min al-masjid. We are coming from the mosque. Ithnan number 2. Na'ti min as-sakan. Na'ti min as-sakan. We are coming from hostel. Thalatha number 3. Na'ti min al-funduk. Na'ti min al-funduk. We are coming from hotel. Arba'a number 4. Na'ti min al-mahja. Na'ti min al-mahja. We are coming from dormitory. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. So wahid number 1, now talking about the use of ilah, just like what we talked about mina, either min or mina. So ilah must also give kasra to the last letter of any Arabic word appearing after it, just like the way we have it in adhahabu ila al-masjidi. D, not da and not do, rather di, ila al-masjidi. Adhahabu ila al-masjid. I am going to mosque. Adhahabu ila al-masjid. I am going to mosque. Ithnan number 2. Adhahabu ila al-bayt. Adhahabu ila al-bayt. I am going to house. Adhahabu ila al-bayt. I am going to house. Thalatha number 3. Adhahabu ila al-madrasah. Adhahabu ila al-madrasah. I am going to school. Adhahabu ila al-madrasah. I am going to school. Thalath arba'a number 4. Arba'a number 4. Adhahabu ila al-maktab. Adhahabu ila al-maktab. I am going to office. Adhahabu ila al-maktab. I am going to office. Khamsa number 5. أذهب إلى سوق. أذهب إلى سوق. I am going to market. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Now the activity. Translate the following to Arabic without checking your book. So number one, how do you say in Arabic? How many pens do you have? How many pens do you have? كم قلما عندك? كم قلما عندك? اثنان. Number two, how do you say in Arabic? I don't have a pen. I don't have a pen. ما عندي قلم. ما عندي قلم. ثلاثة. Number three, how do you say in Arabic? I have a book. I have a book. عندي كتاب. عندي كتاب. ما عندي قلم. I don't have a pen. ما عندي قلم. I don't have a pen. Number three, عندي كتاب. I have a book. أربعة. Number four. So how do you translate the following to Arabic? Where are you going? Where are you going? أين تذهب? أين تذهب? Talking to a single male person. But if you are talking to a single female person, you say أين تذهبين? أين تذهبين? Where are you going? خمسة. Number five. So how do you say in Arabic? I want to buy a book. I want to buy a book. أريد أن أشتري كتابا. أريد أن أشتري كتابا. أريد أن أشتري كتابا. I want to buy a book. So ستة. Number six. That is my pencil. How do you say that is my pencil in Arabic? ذلك قلمي. ذلك قلمي. That is my pencil. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. سبعة. Number seven. So how do you say in Arabic? How are you, my sister? How are you, my sister? كيف حالك يا أختي? كيف حالك يا أختي? ثمانية. Number eight. How do you say in Arabic? We are going to hostel. We are going to hostel. نذهب إلى السكن. نذهب إلى السكن. We are going to hostel. Hostel, but hotel, فندق. Hostel, سكن. And dormitory, mahaja. نذهب إلى السكن. We are going to hostel. تسعة. Number nine. How do you say in Arabic? I am coming from the hotel. I am coming from the hotel. آتي من الفندق. آتي من الفندق. آتي من الفندق. I am coming from the hotel. عشرة. Number 10. How do you say in Arabic? Why do you study Arabic language? Why do you study Arabic language? So how do you say this in Arabic? لماذا تدرس اللغة العربية? لماذا تدرس اللغة العربية? لماذا? Why? تدرس اللغة العربية. Do you study Arabic language? لماذا تدرس اللغة العربية? لماذا تدرس اللغة العربية? Why do you study Arabic language? لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. So identify the right images. Wahid. Number one. So which of the images below that represent qalamun? Qalamun. اثنان. Number two. So which of the images below that represent mimhatun? Mimhatun. Okay, now I want to say the answer. You now compare my answer with yours. So qalamun means pen. Qalamun, pen. Mimhatun means eraser. Mimhatun, eraser. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. مع السلامة وإلى اللقاء آخر.